发现不错。
International student studying in Edinburgh, not only the beautiful scenery gives us a deep impression, the unique fashion in Edinburgh and Scotland is also very attractive. As professional students in fashion, when I do some research, I found that some fashion brands also use the elements of the Scottish fashion to design, such as Vivienne Westwood and Burberry. The scarves and shawls which have Scotland tartan are hot items in Edinburgh souvenir shops and many fashion brands. There are many different types and colors of the tartan for everyone to choose. They are warm and stylish single products in winter since they are usually made of wool and cashmere.
Scottish style hats is also a common single product in the shop. Men are mainly wear the hat in the video as some design of a Scottish Highland cattle, adding some fun to the traditional hat.
A woolen suit with a tartan pattern is an excellent choice for Scottish and the whole British gentlemen. This type of suit is more traditional, but it has more choices of color and pattern. Scottish tartan in different vertical and horizontal arrangement and colors represent different regions and islands. This tartan also have different names. The main element of Scottish fashion is the Scottish tartan. We can see this fashion element everywhere in Edinburgh, including clothes, shoes, bags, kids' clothing and pet clothing.
Kilt is a kind of traditional process with ethnic customers in Scotland. It is characterized by knee-length plaited skirts and by men wearing. Scottish men will wear it on important occasions such as wedding, festival, and graduation. The kilt will usually dress with sporran, belt, black knife, gilly brooches, and jacket.